For starters, I certainly would not advise anyone to go take a supposed vaccine from an entity or individual without some legitimacy assigned to that entity or individual, because you never know what you're going to get, and that could not be in your best interest. The same should apply too for testing. And I understand the eagerness, the anxieties around trying to overcome the fears of the unknown, the fears of the virus. And I understand that persons want a sort of quick fix to the problem. The reality is that if the world had a quick fix, we would not have COVID-19 lasting so long and so many persons dying. There's no quick fix to this public health, global public health threat. Otherwise, the world would have found significant solutions and much more advanced solutions long ago. And the most developed parts of the world, with all the resources, we are all searching for a solution. And sometimes we, frankly speaking, are unfairly blamed or criticized in public health for not moving fast enough. And while I appreciate the need to move fast and to move as fast as possible, that has to always be balanced with the public health interests, with the lives of individuals who are at stake. And I think for the most part, we have moved at a pace that is an important balance between trying to find the solutions and at the same time protecting the interests of all concerned.